ka surjong phi ka thang jangi
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalapan pau bakalong kaba husiar pura kaba pet ngor baha bat kaba pin kre banya khun ya kanu ka jingma kaba la ban mi na khñiang jingpang Nipah wat la ompat don ki bayo ya kani ka jingpang ha ka Jylla hadu menta Menteri Katanat Yale Akai, Bat Katanat Samla, Wailat Miki Shila Ulayathu, Bala Batha, Ya Katanat Jungka Kot Kakya, Bakan Pet Ngorbha, Hadien Balami Kakubor, Bakidon Kijingpang Nipah virus, Ha West Bengal. Ula Penshai, Baya Kabamanta, Ompat Don Kanu Kasabut Kabatikna, Kabadon Ya Uniu Khñiang Jingpang Ha Meghalaya.
But as of now, we don't have any concrete evidence or any report, especially with the state of Meghalaya. And then I just don't want also to come as to make anything out of it to create panic to the public, because as of now we don't have any report of it. But as a health department, we are fully aware and we are fully prepared for that.
Okay, and so one more question, regarding Thursday, Mr. Conrad Sangma, he just sent a letter to the center regarding the youth, the national games which are going to be held here. So, what is the financial structure like? What is the state expecting from center?
No. See, definitely the state will expect as much as we can from the central government. But at the same time, we do understand that when we ask to host the national game, we should be prepared ourselves. So no doubt we are prepared, but we are also pushing, we are also requesting central government, because Meghalaya also has his financial constraint. So definitely we have asked some amount. So let's see, because as of now I think it's too early for me to share the total amount, because we are yet to assess with other department also. It is not only the sports department, it is the national game, as you know, that it involve inter-department the work. So that's why we are still awaiting the estimate and other thing from the other department.
And so last thing about the budget, if you can just tell, recently the budget has been allotted. So is there anything that brings more power to the sports department?
See, as of now, frankly speaking, because I was all these days actually I have a series of programs. Even in Sunday also, yesterday also we have a couples of programs. So I have not got the opportunity to sit and really go through. No doubt it is quite a positive budget, especially for Northeast and especially for the state of Meghalaya. We have seen that the Saski scheme, we have given the opportunity, the fund. So I think it is quite positive. But as such, to go on to the nitty-gritty of the budget, I have not got the opportunity as yet. But definitely I will hope that it will be really helpful